I want to thank you for watching this video. My name is Anthony Richardson. I own a minority fire alarm and security company. I'm licensed by New York State to install, service, and maintain fire alarm and security systems. Here today, I'm on a service call to replace a duct detector. The cool thing about it is all I have to do is just change out the board. Instead of me pulling all old duct detector out with the sampling tube, reinstalling the sampling tubes, and remounting the duct detector, I could just take the cover off, place the circuit board, make sure I wire it up correctly, let the system map the new device into the system. Take out the old, put in the new. Before I do that, I wanted to go over what a duct detector is. Duct detector is installed on an AC unit. You have your air conditioning units installed on the roof of your buildings. Within 3 feet of the penetration as that duct unit comes down into the building, duct detector will need to be installed. So 3 feet above here is the actual AC unit. We come into the building, we put the duct detector right here on the duct, monitor the airflow. So the airflow is flowing down this way. We want to make sure that there's no smoke, there's no particles, there's nothing inside the ductwork that's looking like a fire. If it does look like there's some type of fire or some type of indication that there's too much smoke inside the ductwork, this duct detector will go off. So how this duct detector work is, it has chamber. This chamber is what house all the smoke particles, the dust, and the debris that flows inside of this duct detector. There are 2 sampling tubes, one that has the airflow going in and the other one has the airflow going out. That's how circulation goes through, and it just traps whatever debris that's inside the ducts. Here there is an LED that flashes a photo light, and when there's too much smoke obscuration inside this chamber right here, photo beam or that photo light will get blocked out and it can reflect on the other side, which will then turn this go into alarm. This side here is the relay contact, which will connect to the controls up inside the controller AC unit, and that will shut the fans down. That way it can stop circulating any smoke if it detects that there's smoke inside the duct. That's how duct detector works when you install it inside of a duct unit. There's a couple things sampling to, because duct detectors come in different widths. There's 3 feet width duct handler units, and then there's 5 feet width duct detector handling units. Now, if you have a 3-foot handling unit, sampling tool needs to go to the back, needs to reach the back of that 3 feet. So you need a 36-inch sampling tube. You have a 3-foot air vent. So that tube from the duct detector to the back wall, that air vent that needs to meet. If your ductwork is more than 3 feet, we'll have to extend the sampling tube outside of the ductwork. For instance, you have a 5-foot AC unit and the ductwork is all 5 feet, you would need at least a 70-inch sampling tube and cut it down in size once you get outside of the air duct. Every 6 inches and below, it needs to reach to the back wall. Anything above 36 inches, that sampling tube needs to go outside of that air duct. That is my explanation of a duct detector. Find these duct detectors on our website. You could also join our secure community to post your questions and get your answers answered right away. You hit the chat box if you need some frequently asked questions that can answer some of the questions that you may have. So again, I appreciate you for watching this video. My name is Anthony Richardson. Peace.